Exercise 4.2 of determinants. Now question number 1. Using the property of determinants and without expanding in exercises 1 to 5, prove that. Okay. Now question number 1 to 5. This is the question number 1. Okay, x, y, z, a, b, c and x plus a, y plus b, z plus c equal to 0. We have to prove determinant equal to 0. Now we can xc1, we can convert c1 equal to c1 plus c2. c1 plus c2. So we will get x plus a, y plus b and z plus c. And a, b, c, and the third row is x plus a, y plus b and z plus c. It means two rows c1 equal to c3. If the two columns are same, it means the value of determinant equal to 0. The values of two columns is same, therefore value of determinant equal to 0. Now the second one is a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, b minus b, c minus a minus b इक्वल टू, इसको भी प्रूव करना है इक्वल टू 0. तो इसमें क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट कॉलम में c1 को कन्वर्ट करते हैं c1 प्लस c2 प्लस c3. नाउ ऐड ऑल द 3 कॉलम्स. तो a माइनस बी प्लस b माइनस c प्लस c माइनस a equal to 0. Now add like this, b minus c, c minus a minus b, and third c minus a plus a minus b plus b minus c, and the second column remains the same and the third same. This will be equal to 0. 0, 0, 0. B minus C, C minus A. If any column of a determinant is 0 or the row equal to 0, then the value of the determinant equal to 0. All entries of C1 0. We can write all elements or the entry, all elements are 0 of column 1. Okay, therefore the value of the determinant equal to 0. Third one, in the third, first column is 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 65, 75, 86. Prove that the value of determinant equal to 0. Now C3. Now convert C3 minus C1. इसमें से इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करके लिखेंगे तो क्या बचेगा, फर्स्ट कॉलम सेम, सेकेंड कॉलम सेम एंड द थर्ड 65 minus 2 63, 72 and 81, 86 minus 5 81, 75 minus 3 72. Now take 9 column, 9 common. So we will get 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9 and 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. It means the value of determinant equal to 0. Why? The column C2 equal to C3. The all entries of column C2 and C3 are same. Therefore, the value of the determinant equal to 0. And in the fourth one, 1, 1, 1, B, C, C, A, B, A, B plus C, C, C plus A and this and so on. Now, add C2 plus C3. C3 convert करेंगे C2 plus C3. Okay, so we will get 1, 1, 1, BC, AC, AB. And in the third one, AB, AC, BC. It means AB plus BC plus AC. In the second, AB, BC, AC. It means AB plus BC plus AC, and the same BC plus AC. Now we can take the common from third. AB plus BC plus AC take common. So we will get the determinant 1 BC AC AB and 1 1 1. In this, the value of determinant is also 0 because all the entries of C1 and C3 are same. The value of the determinant equal to 0 because all the entries of C1 equal to C3. Okay. Now the fifth one. In question number 5, we have to prove BC, CA, B plus C, C plus A plus B, Q plus R, R plus P, P plus Q, Y plus Z, Z plus X, X plus Y equal to the 2 times of matrix A, B, C, P, Q, R and X, Y, Z. Now in the row, we have to add the rows 1, 2 and 3. In the 1, we will add all the 3 rows and take 2 common. Because A plus B plus C, it means 2 times A plus B plus C. In this 2 times P plus Q plus R. And in this 2 times X plus Y plus Z. And C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X. And A plus B, P plus Q and X plus Y. Just add R1, R2, R3 and take 2 common and then take 2 common and then R1 minus R2. R1 equal to R1 minus R2. A plus B plus C minus C plus A. We will get B. In this R, P, Q. And Z plus X, it means Y. Okay. Then C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X. The row second and third remains untouched. Okay. Next, R3 minus R1. In R3, we can do R3 minus R1. We get 2 times B, Q by C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X. And R3 minus R1, A, P, X. Okay. Now R2 minus R3. Now R2 change R2 minus R3. 2 times B, Q, Y, A minus, it means C, R, Z, A, P, X. Okay. Now we get APX is the first, BQ by second and CRZ third. So now interchange the rows. APX, BQY and CRZ. Question number 6. By using properties of determinants in exercise 6 to 14, show that. Okay, equal to these values 6 to 14. Now question number 6. This is a question number 6. 0 A minus B minus A 0 minus C B C 0 equal to 0. Now take minus common. Now take minus common means minus A B A 0 C and minus B minus C 0. Okay. Now interchange the rows and column. This is the determinant value. Now interchange 0 minus A B 0 minus A B A 0 C. and minus b minus c 0. It means determinant the same value, this equal to this. It means del equal to 2 times determinant equal to 0. It means determinant equal to 0. This equal to 0. Just interchange the position of rows and column. The question number 7 is minus a square ABAC, BA minus B square BC, CA CB minus C square. Take A common from R1, B from R2 and C from R3. Now the ABC common, minus A, B, C. B common, A minus B, C and A, B minus C. Okay. Now taking common this. Next step, take ABC common this, in which the R1 plus R2. We can add R1 plus R2. Right here R1 plus R2, 0, 0, 2C. 0, 0, 2C and A minus B, C, A, B minus C. Of this determinant we can write 2C, A, B, C determinant and 2C determinant A minus B, A, B. Because this one is 0, 0, all the determinants are 0, only 2C there. Now multiply A, B, C, 2C, AB plus AB, AB plus AB. It means A, B, C into 2C into 2AB equal to 4 A square, B square and C square. Proved. Next question. This is question number 8. 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A square, B square, C square. Hence prove that A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. Okay. Now convert R2. R2 minus R1. And convert R3. R3 minus R1. In the both rows, R1 subtract. So R1 remains the same. 1 minus 1, 0. B minus A and B square minus A square. 0, C minus A and C square minus A square. This is the discriminant. Now solve. Only 1. B minus A, B square minus A square. C minus A, C square minus A square. All the values are 0. Now multiply B minus A common and C minus A common. In this B minus A common is 1. It means B plus A. And common 1, C plus A. Now solve. B minus A, C minus A and solve C plus A minus B minus A. A cancel, C minus B. We have to write A minus B, B minus C minus A, taking common minus. So we can write A minus B, B minus C and C minus. This is the question of 8th का second part. 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A cube, B cube, C cube. Now the RHS is A minus B, B minus C, C minus A and A plus B plus C. Okay. Now subtract C2, C2 minus C1 and C3, C3 minus C1. C2 में से भी C1 घटाएंगे और C3 में भी C3 minus C1. Now subtract. The first column remains the same. 0, B minus A, B cube minus A cube. 0, c minus a, c cube minus a cube. Now determinant equal to b cube minus a cube equal to b minus a and b square plus a square plus ab. Now expanding the formula of a cube minus b cube, c minus a and c minus a square plus c square plus ac. Okay, now take common b minus a and c minus a. B minus a and c minus a. The determinant is equal to the a square plus b square plus ab and 1 a square plus c square plus ac. Now solve b minus a, c minus a. 1 into this minus 1 into this. It means a square plus c square plus ac minus a square minus b square minus ab. A square cancel. Okay. Now factorize this one. B minus a, c minus a. Now factorization, c square minus b square. C square minus b square equal to c minus b and c plus b. And ac minus ab means a common, c minus b. Now b minus a, c minus a, c minus b and a plus b plus c. Okay. Now a minus b, b minus c, c minus c, and it is also equal to the a minus b, a minus c and b minus c minus a and b minus c, a plus b plus c. This is question number 9. X, y, z, x square, y square, z square, y, z, z, x, x, y. Now solve and get the answer. X minus y, y minus z, z minus x, xy plus yz plus zx. Now multiplied r1 to the x and r2 multiplied to y and r3 multiplied to z. Okay. It means x square, x cube, x, y, z. Now multiplied by x, y and z. Y square, y cube and x, y, z. Z square, z cube and x, y, z. Now take x, y, z. Divide by x by z. X square, y square, z square, x cube, y cube, z cube and equal to 1, 1, 1. Okay. Divide by this. Here is equal to the 1. Okay. Now R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. इसमें से भी R1 घटाएंगे और इसमें से भी सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. तो फर्स्ट रो सेम इक्वल टू y स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, y क्यूब माइनस एक्स क्यूब 0 and z square minus x square, z cube minus x cube 0. Only the remains the first here. Determinant 1, y square minus x square and y cube minus x cube. Z square minus x square and z cube minus x cube. Now solve by using identities. Y minus x, y plus x. Same z minus x and z plus x. Next y minus x and y square plus x square plus xy. And z minus x, x square plus z square plus xz. Now common y plus x and z minus x. Okay, and solve y plus x, z plus x, and x square plus y square plus xy, and x square plus z square plus xz. Now solve by cross multiplication. Y plus x into x square plus z square plus xz minus z plus x into x square plus y square plus xy. Okay, now solve and factorize. The answer will be equal to, you will get yz square minus xy square plus xz square minus xy square. All the terms cancel, and factorize this one. Taking common, yz xy square xz square, yz square zy square, sorry, xy square zy square xz square minus xy square. Taking yz common, then z minus y, and in this common x, z square minus y square means z minus y and z plus y. Y minus x, z minus x, z minus y, and xy plus yz plus zx. Okay, now you can write x minus y, y minus z, z minus x equal to xy plus yz plus zx. Question number 10, the first part. X plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4. Now 5x plus 4 and 4 minus x whole square to solve. Now first add r1. r1 में इन तीनों को ऐड करेंगे तो सेम आएगा, r1 प्लस r2 प्लस r3. ऐड करने से क्या आ जाएगा, 2 to 4 1 plus 5x plus 4. In RHS 5x plus 4. This one is also equal to 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4. And the next 2x, 2x, x plus 4, 2x. Next step, to take common 5x plus 4. 1, 2x, 2x, 1, x plus 4, 2x, 1, 2x and x plus 4. Now subtract C2 minus C1 and C3 minus C1. Okay, now subtract C2 means C2 minus C1 and C3 minus C1. फर्स्ट रो 0 0 आने से इजी हो जाता है. ये क्या हो जाएगा, इसमें से माइनस करेंगे 0 4 माइनस एक्स 0 0 0 4 minus x. The answer is 5x plus 4 and 1 4 minus x 0 0 4 minus x. Now answer is 5x plus 4 and 4 minus x whole square. This is the RHS. And the second part of this question. This is the second part. The same question. Y plus k y y y y plus k y same. So we can do r1 equal to r1 plus r2 plus r3. ऐड करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा 3y plus k 3y plus k and 3y plus k, and other two rows remains the same. y plus k. Take common 3y plus k. 1y plus k, y 1 y plus k, and the same process like this, same question, C2 minus C1 and C3 minus C1. C2 minus C1 0, k 0, 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, y minus 1 0, and k. Now solve 3y plus k, and the determinant is k 0 0 k. All other elements are 0. 3y minus k and k square. The RHS is k square 3y plus. Okay. Now question number 11. Question number 11. A minus B minus C 2A 2B B minus C minus A 2B 2C 2C C minus A minus B equal to A plus B plus C whole square. Now the first R1 equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now add first 3 and third row. Then you will get A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. And in this A plus B plus C. And A plus B plus C. And the second and third row remain same. 2C, 2C and C minus A minus B. Now A plus B plus C, take it out. A plus B plus C. 1, 2B, 2C, 1, B minus C minus A, 2C, 1, 2B, C minus A minus B. Okay. Now C2 minus C1 and C3 minus C1. Okay. Now C2 minus C1, it means first column remain same, 0, B minus C minus A minus 2B. Okay. So get minus A minus B minus C. And 2C minus 2C 0. 1 minus 1 0. 2B minus 2B 0. And minus A minus B minus C. Okay. Now next 0 0, it means the only A plus B plus C, and the matrix 1 minus common A plus B plus C, 0 0 minus A plus B plus C. Only 2 by 2 order matrix determinant A plus B plus C. And now minus minus plus A plus B plus C square. The answer is A plus B plus C cube. This is the RHS of the question, A plus B plus C whole cube. This is the second part of question number 11. Okay. In this the same C1 plus C2 plus C3. It means C1 plus C2 plus C3. Now add 2x, 2y, 2z. It means 2 times x plus y plus z. And x, y. Z, same 2 times x plus y plus z. And y plus z plus 2x and y. And third 2 times x plus y plus z. x and x plus z plus 2y. Now add C1, C2 and C3. Next, take it out 2 times x plus y plus z. It is 1, 1, 1, x, y plus z plus 2x, and x, y, y and x plus z plus 2y. Okay. Now R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. R2 means R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. So we will get first row remains same. R2 minus R1, it means x plus y plus z, and this minus is 0. Okay, 1 minus 1, 0, x minus x, 0, and x plus z plus 2y minus y is x plus y plus z. Okay, now this one is 0, it means only the determinant remains the 2 by 2 order. 2 times x plus y plus z and 1, the determinant is 0, 0, x plus y plus z. Now solve. This will be x plus y plus z and this into this. It means x plus y plus z square. The answer is 2 times x plus y plus z cube. This is the RHS of the question. This is question number 12. 1x square plus 1 plus x square 1 equal to 1 minus x cube whole square. The same, add R1, R2, R3. R1 means R1 plus R2 plus R3. Add all the 3 rows. We get 1 plus x square. In this 1 plus x square, and in 1 next row remains the same. Okay. Now common 1 plus x square. 1 x square x, 1 x square, 1 x 1. Okay. Now C2 minus C1 and C3 minus C1. C2 means C2 minus C1 and C3 minus C1. Subtract. First column same. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus x square and x square minus x. And in this 0, x minus x square and 1 minus x. These two elements are 0. Therefore, 1 plus x square equal to 1 minus x square minus 1, it means x minus 1. X common, 1 minus x and 1 minus x. Now multiply. 1 plus x square, 1 minus x square, 1 minus x. 1 minus x, 1 plus x, break, and 1 minus x. Minus x into x square, and take minus, it means plus. X square and x minus 1 whole square. Okay. So x minus 1 whole square, take it. Now solve. 1 plus x square. Take minus common, it means plus. And x minus 1 whole square. In the bracket, x square plus x plus 1. ये कॉमन है तो बचेगा क्या, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स प्लस वन. इट इज, नाउ आई एम राइटिंग हियर, इट मीन्स एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स प्लस वन होल स्क्वायर एंड एक्स माइनस वन होल स्क्वायर. We can write x minus 1 in one bracket and x square plus x plus 1 and square of the whole bracket. This is the formula of 1 minus x cube or the x cube minus 1 whole square. Okay. The question number 13 is 1 plus a square minus b square plus 2ab minus 2b. 2ab 1 minus a square plus b square, 2a 2b minus 2a 1 minus a square minus b square. Okay, equal to 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. Now C1 is this, C1 minus b C3. इसमें b का मल्टीप्लाई करके C1 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे और इसमें a का मल्टीप्लाई करके इसमें जोड़ेंगे. C2, इसका a का मल्टीप्लाई करके C2 में जोड़ना है. देखिए कैसे, C1 को कन्वर्ट करेंगे C1 माइनस बी C3 और C2 को कन्वर्ट करेंगे C2 प्लस a C3. C1 माइनस बी C3, इट मीन्स माइनस बी 2b स्क्वायर माइनस 2b स्क्वायर ऐड करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, माइनस माइनस प्लस, इट मीन्स 1 प्लस ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. नाउ 2ab माइनस 2ab 0, 2b 1 plus b multiplied in this you will get b 1 plus a square plus b square and C2 plus AC3, C2 plus AC3, it means 0, 2ab minus 2ab 0, and in this 2a square add to 1 plus a square plus b square, and in this minus a 1 plus a square plus b square, and the third row is minus 2b 2a and 1 minus a square minus b square. Now take 1 plus a square plus b square common by C3, C1 and C2. It means 1 plus a square plus b square whole square. 1 0 b 0 1 minus a and minus 2b 2a 1 minus a square minus b square. Take 2 times common. Okay, and the next we get 0, so b minus b 0, it means R3 equal to R3 minus b R1. b का मल्टीप्लाई करके इसमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, क्या आएगा, 1 plus a square plus b square whole square is here, b minus b 1 0 minus 2b 0 1 2a and b minus b 0 minus a and 1 minus a square minus plus 2b square, it means a square plus b square. Okay, now solve. 1 plus a square plus b square whole square is here. Now the determinant 1 2a minus 2a minus a square plus b square. Solve. It will be 1 into minus this. It means 1 minus a square plus b square plus 2a square. This will be 1 plus a square plus b square whole square and 1 plus a square plus b square. It means 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. This is the RHS. The question. Now question number 14. This is question number 14. A square plus 1 AB CA AB B square plus 1 BC AC BC C. We have to prove 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. Now multiplied A in C1, B in C2 and C in C3. Okay, the first column A square plus 1, A square B and A square C, and B AB square, B square plus 1 and B square C, and AC square, BC square and C square plus 1. Okay. Now take ABC common. 1 upon AB C. Now take A common from first row, B second row and C third row. It means ABC, ABC. A square plus 1, B square, C square. And B common, A square, B square plus 1 and C square. C, A square, B square and C square plus 1. Okay. Now add C1, means C1 plus C2 plus C3. This will be the cancel. A square plus B square plus C square plus 1. A square plus B square plus C square plus 1 and A square plus B square plus C square plus 1. Now the other two columns remain same. Now we can take this one is common from the column 1. Let take it common means the column 1 becomes 1 and the second column B square plus 1 and B square. Third C square plus 1. Now convert into the 0. It means R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. Convert R2 minus R1 and convert R3 minus R1. Okay. A square plus B square plus C square plus 1. This is the outside. 1 B square C square. Now 0. 1 B square plus 1 minus B square. 0. 1 and 0. 1 minus 1 0 0 1. This is the matrix. Now solve A square plus B square plus C square plus 1. And the matrix is the first A0 1 0 0 1. It means 1. The answer is A square plus B square plus C square plus 1. And you can write 1 minus 0. It means the RHS is this one. Hence proved. Now question number 15. Question number 15. Let A be the square matrix of order 3 by 3. Then Ka is equal to the K discriminant A, K square and K cube and 3Ka. No, K cube A. Because K common in each column or the row, K into K into K, K cube. This is the right option. Which of the following is correct? Determinant is a square matrix. Determinant is a number associated to a matrix. Determinant is a number associated to the square matrix and none of these. Determinant is a number associated to a square matrix, not the matrix. Determinant कब निकलता है? जब एक मैट्रिक्स कैसी होती है? स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स. Okay, the C option is right.